Lake Natron is a fascinating and unique saltwater lake located in northern Tanzania, in the eastern branch of the East African Rift Valley. Here is some informational knowledge about Lake Natron. Lake Natron is situated in the Arusha region of Tanzania, close to the border with Kenya. It is part of the Eastern Rift Valley, which is a geological feature that stretches from Ethiopia to Mozambique. The lake is fed by mineral-rich hot springs and small rivers with no outlet. The high evaporation rates in the arid region result in the accumulation of salts and minerals, giving Lake Natron its characteristic bright red color and high alkalinity. The lake's distinctive red color comes from cyanobacteria, particularly species of the genus Spirulina, which thrive in highly alkaline waters. These bacteria produce pigments that give the lake a vivid red or pink appearance. The alkaline nature of Lake Natron is due to the accumulation of sodium carbonate and other minerals, making it one of the most alkaline lakes in the world, with a pH level as high as 10.5. Lake Natron's harsh environment supports only a few specialized species that are uniquely adapted to survive in its extreme conditions. The lake is home to large colonies of lesser flamingos, Phoeniconias minor, that feed on the abundant cyanobacteria and algae. These flamingos are known for their ability to withstand the highly alkaline water and the scorching temperatures of the region. Other bird species, such as the greater flamingo, pelicans, and various waders, also visit the lake for feeding and nesting purposes. The Maasai people who inhabit the surrounding area consider Lake Natron a sacred place. They believe that the lake's alkaline waters possess spiritual powers and use its salts and minerals for various traditional rituals. The Maasai also practice cattle herding in the region, and Lake Natron serves as a critical source of water for their livestock during the dry seasons. Lake Natron and its surrounding ecosystem have been designated as a Ramsar wetland of international importance to protect its unique biodiversity. While tourism in the area is limited due to the lake's remote location and the challenging conditions, guided tours and safaris are available for visitors interested in exploring the region's natural wonders. It's important to note that certain restrictions may be in place to minimize the impact on the fragile ecosystem and wildlife, and visitors are encouraged.